to all of you. I just thought we will inform about the preparedness for the Panji Bipole. The Panji Bipole will be held tomorrow, that is 19/5/2019 from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. There are 30 polling stations in the Panjim Assembly constituency. There are, of this, 16 are single booths and 7 are double booths. That means 30 polling parties have already been dispatched and they have reached their concerned polling stations. We had total of 38 polling parties with 8 polling teams on reserve. They were given 2 rounds of training, and today from the Bambolim Athletic Sports Complex, which was the distribution center, they have been dispatched and all the polling parties have reached their respective polling stations. As for our preparedness, we had 4 sector officers, 2 FST teams and 4 static surveillance teams. The monitoring of the Model Code of Conduct violation and the expenditure was being done. From the Election Commission of India, we had 1 general observer and 1 expenditure observer who was on behalf of the ECI monitoring the preparedness. On the day of poll, we will be having 3 engineers from the ECIL and 5 troubleshooters to address to any issues, if at all, on the EVM machines. After the commissioning of the EVMs and during the dispersal, we did not have to replace any machines. So all the machines that were commissioned as per the polling stations were dispersed, and now they are being set up. The total number of voters for the Panji Assembly constituency is 22,485, which includes 10,697 male and 11,785 female. Of this, persons with disability voters are 115. To this extent, we have conducted 2 exclusive trainings for the PWD voters to encourage them and to inform to them the facilities that are available for PWD voters. So we expect that this time the participation of the PWD voters in the voting process will be higher. To facilitate them, there will be 2 volunteers in each polling station who will attend to the needs of PWD voters. Over and above that, a special vehicle called Easy Move has been engaged, which will help in the transportation of the PWD voters from their residence to the concerned polling stations. Over and above this, the sector officers will also be helping the PWD voters to reach the polling station. 2 polling stations have been identified as vulnerable polling stations, and special efforts have been taken in those polling stations to meet the voters and to encourage them to come and vote on the day of poll.
Can you name them?
The polling station number 22 and 24 have been identified as vulnerable polling stations. To encourage people to come and vote, because this falls in a phase away from the parliament election. So the returning officer's office had conducted a bike rally on 16/5 to spread awareness among the Panji voters on the day of poll, to inform them about the day of poll. 1 polling station number 7, which is Gomantak Sahitya Sevak Mandal, Menzies Braganza building, ground floor. That polling station will be manned exclusively by PWD officials. So those officials have also been given additional training to handle the poll process. On the day of poll, there will be 6 Nakabandi points. All the polling stations, as an abundant caution to beef up the security measures, all polling stations will have 1/2 section of CPMF, that is CISF in our case, for security. Over and above the state police, there will also be central police, that is, in this case it will be CISF, who will be deployed in all the polling stations. One other important point here is, since in the previous phase, the parliament election has taken over. The indelible ink of some voters will still be there. So we have taken a special permission from the ECI, and ECI has approved that indelible ink will be applied on the left ring finger of the voters. So that will be one change. The indelible ink will be applied on the left hand ring finger of the voters. As in the parliament election, photo voter slip will not be an independent document to establish identity of the voter, which means if they do not have the EPIC card, the 11 other documents which have been authorized by the ECI can only be accepted. Voters coming with only the photo voter slip will not be allowed to vote. They should be carrying EPIC or, in other case, 11 other documents authorized by the ECI. As an additional measure, there will also be webcasting. All the 30 polling stations of Panjim Assembly constituency will be on live, monitored from the DO's office through webcasting. The distribution has happened at the athletic stadium, but of course the receiving will happen at the strong room premises itself, which is the government polytechnic. So we are directly from, earlier what happened is we were receiving it at the Bambolim Sports Complex and then transporting the poll DVMs from Bambolim Sports Complex to the government polytechnic. So this time we have tried that directly it will be received at the strong room itself. So the receiving center has been set up in the library premises of the government polytechnic, and after receiving it will be stored in the strong room earmarked for the Panjim Assembly polls.